So today we're going to mix blue with all the colors of the rainbow. So we're going to make a color wheel. It's not a very round circle, but that's okay. It will still work. There we go. So if we say this is blue, right? And then we got to go over 1, 2. This is going to be red. And this is going to be yellow, right? So we're going to start with blue, and I have cerulean blue. And regular blue, to me, is always so much, it's kind of shocking how much regular blue is just a super bright color. I always think of, I'm a big turquoise person, so to me, this is a little shocking. So there's blue. And then if we mix, do we have enough? Well, we're gonna wing it. So now we're gonna mix blue with yellow. And we know what blue and yellow is gonna make, right? My yellow's running out. Because blue and yellow are mixing two primary colors, and it makes a really pretty color. So coming up on some of this, we may not have so many pretty colors, right? But blue and yellow makes green. So that is going to be a really pretty true green color, kind of half blue, half yellow. And now let's mix blue with red. And this is another easy one that we can do because blue and red makes another secondary color that we're all used to. It makes a really pretty purple color, right? So now we have blue and red making purple. So those are kind of the easy ones to me. I can think of those and picture those right off the top of my head. It's kind of the other colors that I want to think about. So let's put that away. Luckily, I have lots and lots of paintbrushes. So we went yellow. Let's do orange. So blue and orange. And we're going to say blue plus orange. And now this should make a yuckier color, right? This should make brown because blue and orange are opposite on the color wheels. And so they're going to have both blue and, so they have all the primary colors, right? So orange is yellow and red, and blue is blue. So you have all the primary colors. So this is going to make a really muddy, kind of not cool color. Well, I don't mean cool as in temperature. It should make a brown color. And I probably have a titch more blue in there because if we do this and add a little bit more orange, we're going to get a truly yucky brown color. I shouldn't call brown yucky. It's a color, right? So sometimes we need brown. So let's do light green. So blue and light green should be a pretty color. I need a little bit more clean blue. And then we're going with citron green. This should make a pretty teal color. Oh, shake your paints. I like color theory and color mixing. And we're getting a little bit more on the blue side because it's a heavier paint, right? So we're going to do this. And maybe pull in a little bit more of that light green. And it's going to make a little bit of a turquoise color. Do we want a titch more blue? Let's do a little bit more blue. There we go. That kind of turned it over to turquoise. We pulled a little bit of that brown in. Okay, fun. Okay, now let's do blue and dark green. So I have a dark green. All right, that's our brown. So let's get a new paintbrush, blue and dark green. And since blue is part of dark green, I would think, and I think it's kind of doing it over here, we would get a dark turquoise. And that, to me, is a beautiful color. Right there. Dark turquoise. I like turquoise with a lot of blue in it. So that dark green has green and yellow. Or blue and yellow in it. So we're getting more blue. So that's a really pretty, to me, color. You might like some of the other colors better. So now we're going to mix blue and purple. And this one surprises me what it does. Oh, let's get my glue out of the way. I need a little bit more room for my colors. A little dab of blue, little dab of blue, and then we can put our blue away. Okay. Shake our paints. Blue and purple. Grab a paintbrush. I am going to have to do my paintbrush cleaning. And this was a surprise to me because I feel like blue mixed with purple makes a brighter purple, right? So if we look at that dark purple that is half red and half blue, I feel like adding blue to purple makes a brighter purple, right? And then we're going to add blue to pink, and we will be done. I think I just put my arm down in turquoise. Those of you who follow along to my art videos probably will not be surprised by that. Okay, blue and pink. Ooh, we got the unicorn brush. Wow, the blue really took over this pink a lot. I thought it would be more of a purple, but this just turned our blue kind of a periwinkle color. It's a very pretty color, but I thought we would get a lot more red from the pink, but we're not getting any red from the pink. And that's a very, I mean, like, it's not a baby pink. It's a pink. So that, to me, is quite a surprise. That's why I do these, because sometimes, this one was a shock to me when I was doing it on the computer, that blue and purple makes a lighter, brighter purple. But to me, that's super surprising that it makes that kind of really cool slate blue. So that is blue mixed with all of the colors of the rainbow. Hopefully that helps. Tara Jacobsen, Artsy Fartsy Life.